Did you know that sound can actually travel in space? It's hard to believe because none of your school teacher has informed you about this, but there is actually a range of frequency between which sound can travel in space. Now, of course, the human ear is unable to detect that sound, but scientists have actually figured out a way to hear these sounds. They have a device that can turn these high frequencies into lower ones, due to which we can hear these sounds. Here's an example of space sound, the scream of black hole.